Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Shark YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing crypto product which is known as DEGEN or Bust. So here we are at the website and you can check out website. It's really well designed. So first of all, before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So coming back to the product, you can check out they have different types of games on the product. You can play the games and win. So here you can check out the details such as you can manage wallet, play games. Also you can check out the official launch was on Pinksale, so each and everything is shown here. They also have an X handle, so you can check it as well. Make sure you follow them on the social media handles. So first of all, let's check out why DEGEN or Bust, because they have probability, fair, instant payouts, multiple games as well as no house limit. So this is really good because they have many of the amazing features which are missing in other products. So you can consider this product as well because it's fair, instant payouts, multiple games as well as no house limit. So coming down, you can check out the DOBTEST token. So guys, it has been deployed onto the Solana blockchain. The program is token 2022, symbol is DOBTEST. Also you can check out the address has been shown here. Method is pretty simple, so you just have to deposit to Bust, play and win, and then get instant withdrawals. So down here you can check out the games available. Just click on explore now. They have DEGEN trading, coin flip, horse ride, dice, sweet, bonanza and much more. Okay guys, so I want to tell you about the games. So you can check out, you can currently play the DEGEN trading as well as coin flip as well as horse race game. The dice as well as sweet bonanza will come soon. So let's check out DEGEN trading. It's currently live, so let's click on it and here you can check out the interface is shown here. The market cap as well as the DOB price is shown here. So I want to tell you the game is currently live. You can place the long as well as short, enter the amount here, connect wallet and play it. So I also want to tell you that currently there is a limit of 5k tokens per play, so you can use it because when the new token will launch, the original token will launch, this limit will be lifted. Also I want to tell you that ACE is testing phase. DOB tokens purchase will not count in the official launch. Stay tuned, launch soon onto the Pinksale. So this is really good. Also you can play the other games such as coin flip. You just have to come here, select the wallet and play it. So this is really amazing. So make sure you play the games as well. Read tokens, buy it right now. So go back and check out some other details. For example, first of all, let's check out their social media handles. So let's come on to the X handle. So here we are on the Twitter and you can check out the details. For example, you can see they have 421 followers and they are posting about the product on regular basis. So make sure you like them as well as retweet them so that more people came to know about this awesome as well as amazing product. It's launching on Pinksale Finance, so stay tuned right now. Also you can check out details such as while the launch is postponed today, so they are finalizing the details. It's for a huge update, so they are moving from pump.fun to a bigger platform which is more impactful platform, which is Pinksale. So make sure you come onto the Pinksale. Pinksale is one of the leading pre-sale sites, so make sure you check it out. Also till then we can check out their pump.fun token. Just come onto the pump.fun and you can check out the trading details is shown here. So they are going to launch onto the Pinksale now. So coming back to the website, you can check out the interface is really good. You can check out affiliate, VIP, DEGEN games as well as wallet details are given here. So according to me, this product is looking really good. The tokenomics as well as the token details are really amazing. So make sure you get into this product at early stages and play the games. So guys, I hope so you do some on research as well on this amazing product and participate into this amazing product after doing some on research. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.